Hello everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk and learn about
3D figures.
3D figures.
And by the way, there's a surprise at the end.
Okay, so what 3D figures this is?
That's
Prism.
a prism.
And what about that one?
This one is a pyramid.
And they are different kind of shapes.
Yeah, but except this one.
Okay, let's get started. So what is actually a prism, Lina?
A prism is a 3D shape. Like that.
Okay, yeah.
Or it could go this way.
Okay. And it has two faces that are identical in shape and size and parallel to each other. So see?
So like basically this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one.
They are parallel to each other.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go next slide.
Oh.
Yeah, these are called bases of prism. So example of a prism. Do you have any examples, Lina? Let's see what kind of
3 on this page and then 3 on another.
Okay. Let's see.
So I don't know why that.
Okay. So it says it's a rectangular prism.
Yeah.
How?
Because the rectangle is on the bottom and the top.
Yeah, so it has a rectangular base on top and bottom.
And also on the other sides.
Oh yeah, you're right. How about the triangle? Triangular prism.
Why the triangle on the top and the triangle on the bottom.
Base, right? So that's
yeah,
why
but it's not on the sides.
Not on the side, just the
no,
base.
because that's a rectangle.
Which is the next one?
Square prism.
Looks like square prism because it
has
has
a square on the top, square on the bottom.
Base, yeah.
I don't know if the sides are.
I don't know. So
it could
those
be
are the
like
example
that,
of prism. Let's see more of prism. The example of prism. Continue. Oh, okay.
Let's just count.
What do you think? What kind of
think
prism
it's
is this?
a pentagonal.
Why you think that way?
Because there's five.
Let's count the side.
No wait, but because there's 5 vertices.
Vertices or sides, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are right. It has 5 sides. So pentagonal prism.
And I think this one is a hexagonal prism.
Why you think so?
Because there's 6 vertices or sides.
Okay, and it has top and bottom base, right?
Yeah, but not the sides.
Yeah, not the side. You're right. It's a hexagonal prism. I don't know what is that one.
This is 1, 2,
octagon.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So 7 is hexagon? No. Heptagon.
Yeah, heptagon.
Let's see.
No, wait, I forgot. Wait, what?
Oh, heptagonal.
Oh.
Heptagonal.
Yeah, it's heptagonal
Prism because it has 7 sides and it's
we just forgot it. So, and then 8 is octagon.
Yeah. Very good. Okay, so it's now pyramid turn. What is actually a pyramid?
A pyramid is a 3D shape.
So it's also a 3D shape. And it is formed by connecting a polygonal base and a point called the apex. So all the points are connecting on top.
Yeah, and if you can't see, the blue part is the base where it stands. And the apex is the point where all the lines are.
Meeting in a one point.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, it's all connecting in one side. It's like a mountain, right?
Yeah.
Looks like a mountain. Yeah.
Just gonna make a lot.
Wow.
And then fire!
Oh, volcano. Okay. Let's continue, Lina. Okay. Oops. I got that. Go ahead. Let's go to the next slide. Oh, its base can be any polygon.
Yeah.
Okay. So examples of pyramid. What are the examples of pyramid? Let's see.
I accidentally showed it. Well,
I see here a triangle pyramid, but why it's called triangle pyramid?
Because there's 3 sides.
So base is a triangle shape.
Yeah, but you cannot do from So this is the top, right? And then it goes to the bottom like that, and then that. And then if you flip it over,
Yeah.
it won't stand. It will just flip. It'll just go like that.
Good. So, oh, what do you
One,
think
two,
this
three.
one?
6. It's a hexagon,
Hexagon form because it has a 6 side, you said?
and it's all going to the top.
Oh, yeah, that is very impressive.
Oh, this is pentagonal. I mean,
you are so fast, Lina. How do you know that?
Because I could see that this is 3 and this is 2.
5 sides? Yeah, you're right. Pentagon prism because it has 5 sides in the base.
I don't want to the next.
Okay, so why did the prism go to the party?
I know.
What?
Because they wanted it to be colorful.
Lina, prism can go to the party?
No, it's just fun. But I know why. Because it wants to be colorful.
Oh, okay. Oh,
So
yeah.
read it.
Prism has 1 because it wanted to have a light snack.
No.
Because it wanted to show off its many colors. Well, let's see. The next one, 3rd, because it heard there would be a lot of angels to meet. So which one? You're right. Because it wanted to show its many colors.
That it gives the answer.
Lina, I just want to ask you why pyramids has a rainbow color. How it happened?
Because it's like a droplet.
So the lights
So when it's raining and the sun is there, the droplets act like a prism, but that's see-through.
Okay.
So then,
Like the light.
and then the sun goes through it like this, and then it makes a color.
Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Why did the pyramid break up with the cube? Wow. Why you think?
Wait, I forgot it.
Yeah, because they are different, right?
Oh no! I know.
Different personality.
I know.
So 1, because the cube didn't have a point. Yeah, could be. Because the cube wasn't adventurous enough. What? Number 3, because the cube was always stuck in its own. So which one you think?
1.
The cube did not have a point. So the cube didn't have a point. That's why
And
they
the
kind
triangle
of stay in
did.
one house. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for
No,
watching.
that's not.
And Lina has a surprise, so she wants to share
I'll
with
bring
you
it
guys.
up close. I got it today.
Keep watching.
So, I got this from McDonald's. It's a
what it's
squishmallow.
called?
It's a squishmallow, but I cut off the label.
Okay.
Squishy.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.